So when it comes to pricing your landscape, it's really hard to know where to start. From state to state, the prices vary. From city to city, the prices vary. And even within your own community, depending on certain features, the price can really vary. A lot of homeowners try to piece together a guesstimate of what their wish list could be from inspo photos, talking to contractors, and rough estimates that don't fully explain what's included. You might have a general idea of what you want. You want an infinity pool, you want a covered patio, you want sunken seating, but it's hard to know what these features translate to in real construction cost, or even why one contractor is giving you one price range and then another in your same service area is giving you another. So I want to walk through some of the key factors that we've seen over the years that definitely will influence your budget and can raise the numbers much higher than you may expect. All right, so let's jump right in. The first one, and this one is so often overlooked, and it's almost, once you really think about it, it feels common sense, but it's very often forgotten. And that is the overall amount of square footage that you're developing. Now, why is this often overlooked? Well, it's easy to look at a finished project that may look beautiful and say, wow, I love that, I want that for my space. What you may not know is that that space may be half or even a quarter of the size of your lot. So let's say we put that exact same design in your backyard, it would look tiny proportionally. So that means depending on your overall space, everything has to fit proportionally. Sometimes you may think, well, I love this one and I got the pricing for that. I want exactly that in my yard. You could hypothetically copy and paste that same design into your yard and it would look totally different. Because what would happen is that you'd be left with so much extra space around it, it would just really downgrade the entire feel of the design. Now, sometimes a design may look very simple and it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles and it could come back with a very high budget. And once again, that goes down to how many square feet are we developing? I always tell all my clients the average American swimming pool is 600 square feet. Now on most tract home lots, this feels like the perfect size. But if you have a larger lot, 600 square feet can feel really tiny. And sometimes you're gonna need 800 square feet, 1,000 square feet for it to feel proportional to everything else that's in the space. So for any homeowners that are watching that are on a small or medium-sized tract home lot, this is great news for you because this is honestly the #1 way to keep costs under control is just that we have a limited amount of space to work with. Now, on the other hand, if you have a large lot, let's say around an acre plus, the good news for you is that if the design is done correctly, the empty space around the design can actually create a higher end look. And I always say, just think about when you go into a luxury store, the items on the shelf look so beautiful because there's so much empty space around them. So remember, on a large lot, it's not always about filling up the entire space. There's a lot of beauty in the open negative space as well. And that's why it's so important to work with a designer who can help you understand all the different ways to make your space ideal. If you want even more insight into pricing, we've created an investment guide where we walk through price ranges for specific features. Examples from real yards and tips to help you prioritize your outdoor investment. The link to download is in the description box below. After that, the next biggest influence on cost, and this is bad news to everyone who has a beautiful hillside lot, maybe you have an amazing view of city lights or even a water view, but a hillside lot automatically 100% will increase cost. Now, why is this? Well, starting with the swimming pool, depending on the severity of the grade, so if it's a really steep lot, you may need caissons for your pool. This can increase the cost of the pool by at least 50% because obviously the pool has to be secure on the lot, and the only way to do that is to build it with caissons. Now, if you live on a flat lot, you'll never ever have to worry about this. But if you do live on a hillside, just understand that there's certain things that will become a reality that anyone in a flat lot would not have to think of. Another thing a lot of our hillside clients love for us to design are terraces. Maybe they realize, you know what, I have a lot of square footage, but the only way I'm gonna be able to use it is if I create a lot of terraces. Now, that is true. You can make your yard so much more useful, but every single terrace you create, you have to cut and fill, and there's engineering required. It's a very complicated and costly process. So even something as simple as creating a terrace that literally is just a lawn, an open lawn space, could be pretty expensive for that item alone. So to sum it up, if you're on a hillside, make sure you're accounting for those extra costs that are just built in to the fact that everything becomes immediately more complicated. All right, now let's talk about swimming pools themselves. So obviously if you have a 800 plus square foot swimming pool, that's gonna be much more. I will say, and this is a very general number, but just to give everyone who's watching a general idea of where we are at right now at the time of this video for a gunite pool that I would say is in the 600 square feet range. I would say right now, most contractors, that range is around 150,000, the starting point. So just keep that in mind. It immediately jumps up when we do two things. If we add an infinity edge, immediately that, and even depending on where that infinity edge is, does it run just, one corner of the pool, or is it the entire pool? Is it a zero edge? That adds a substantial number to the pool because immediately it's more complex. Immediately we have to create some kind of troughs overflow system. So yes, that will elevate your pool's budget by quite a lot. And then two other things which also affect the cost are a raised pool. We do get quite a lot of requests for a raised pool. So like, let's say it's just a rectangular pool and we have two options. One's just rectangular and it's at the same grade as all the terrain around it, and one is about 8 inches above grade or more. Sometimes we do have homeowners that want to create almost kind of like a bench that goes around it. The raised will always be more expensive. So I always say for a small space, a raised pool can work great because it kind of doubles as a seating bench that goes around the entire space. But if you have a large pool, to raise it, as impressive as that may be, that can really impact the cost. And then the other biggest item that affects pool pricing is what elements are tied into it. We do a lot of elaborate, extravagant designs where the patio cover may be submerged in the water, or there's just different design elements that are not actually on the side of the pool, but are embedded and interwoven into the pool itself. This will always add greatly to the cost. The next item, which can really pump up your budget, are overhead structures with complex engineering. A lot of our clients love that clean, modern look of a cantilevered structure. And they are beautiful. And depending on the architecture of your home, they can really elevate the entire space and can just become the backdrop of your backyard. But just remember, the larger the cantilever, the more engineering that's required. And a lot of those can really start at 6 figures. And depending on the size and complexity, the price can expound exponentially. So while depending on your space and your taste, these could be a perfect fit, just remember that these as a line item can be a really big chunk of the budget. Every property is different, every lifestyle is different, and every budget is also different. And if you want expert guidance and a design that's custom tailored just for you, book a call with our team using the link below.